heading out, no turning back. My compass spins a crooked track. The map is torn, the ink is blurred. A brand new tale to be preferred. Maybe I'll fly, maybe I'll fall. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter at all. Into the great unknown I roam, where the wild winds blow me home. The great unknown, the great unknown. I'm never alone. Sunrise paints the canyon walls. Echoes answer, nature calls. The river flows a silver thread. A picture's dancing in my head.